get ready with me and let's test this wig out. Let's see how it looks. Join me and let's review this product, okay? Come here. All right, so what do we have here? So we have, wow, let's see how this gorgeous piece is looking. All right, so what do we have here? Okay, come closer so that you see the wig. So this actually piano pixie wig. As you can see, I call this my golden piano. Look at, just come guys, come and look at it. Look at the 5x5 closure, and look at the fluff, look at the curves. I can actually say this is 100 for me, you know. So let's try this on. You know, you never can tell things by just looking at them. When you try it first, so then you know how it looks. So guys, let's try this on. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so right now I'm going to just remove this one from my hair, and I'm going to put this on, and let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. Taking this off, then I'll take this off. I have to wear this my wig cap, okay? So I've pulled this out of my head now. So let's try this together. So let's really see if it's really golden, if it's truly golden, as I say it is. Okay? Because no be for mouth. No be mouth to go chop. Okay now, so get ready with me. So this how it looks like. So you see that I could easily switch up from this to this. I mean, so life is meant to be easy, that easy, that very easy. Okay, like, okay, let me just turn my back now. You guys can see this. So tell me, what's your take on this wig? Would you actually prefer this one? What's your pick? Is it this or is it this? I just want to know, guys. Come on, let me know in the comment section. Okay, the benefit of getting this pixie wig is that if you have a slim face, it gives you, it instantly like bulks your face, like it gives you this, your face becomes more visible if you have a slim and slender face. Okay, meanwhile if your face is more rounded, I would prefer you either wear it like this if you like this look, or you can actually give it a wet look. And it's also very beautiful when it's wet. So guys, I also do wig training courses on installation, revamping, ventilation, styling. Just check the description to pick your course, and also my contact will be listed there so you can easily reach me, guys. And meanwhile, have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.